How's it going, everybody? Brandon the Blind Dude again. We are back for another unboxing. This time, it is a Tranquil Erin cuckoo clock. That's right, another cuckoo clock. We were at the Nashville Opryland's Mall earlier today, and there was some cuckoo clocks there, and couldn't pass it up. The clock itself is packed very nicely. If I can get it out. Hope you all enjoyed the small pipe unboxing video I did yesterday. Probably have to get the paper out and then get the clock out. And there she be. Chains are taped up very nice. Let's take the back off, if I can figure out how. It's the hammer for the gong. If you can get the back off. There you go. There's that little piece of paper on the gong. You have to pull that off. The little clips on the bellows, you have to pull them off too, if I can find the bellows. Is that these little things? Yeah, so pull that off and pull this off. All right, so now we'll go ahead and put the back on. It's a small, fairly small clock. It's not too big. Let's put him on the wall over here. Hi, kitty. You never want to take your chains down until you have the clock on the wall. Pull this wire out. Maybe. I think you could get it out. It's even got two little trees on the side of it. You also want to undo the cuckoo door so that opens. And there's the chains. Gotta get that wire out of there too. Perfect. We'll get the pendulum out here. Our weights. This is a lot like the smaller clock I have over there. There's Riley hiding from the dog. Put our weights on.
The pendulum.
I usually put the weights on first.
That's the pendulum, dude. Find the chains.
This is wrapped around. There we go. You can already hear the hook for the pendulum going back and forth. Put the pendulum on. And now it's running. So now let's set the time. What time is it? like the sound of that gong. It's adjusted well. o'clock. 5 o'clock. 6 o'clock. 6:30. And 6:50.
It's about 6:45. There you go.
All right, that's going to do it for this unboxing of the Tranquil Erin one-day owl cuckoo clock. I hope everyone has a great new year and stays safe. Thank you very much.